In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero and how to handle credit card subaccounts 5 minutes. If your business has a main credit card with multiple employee cards, you'll get cleaner reporting and faster reconciliations by setting up each card separately, then grouping them for a tidy total on your balance sheet. Here's how to do that step by step and why each step matters. Start by signing in to Xero. We'll begin by adding each physical card as its own bank account in Xero. Go to Accounting, then Chart of Accounts, and choose Add Bank Account. Select the credit card type and give each account a clear name so you can tell them apart at a glance. Adding the last 4 digits helps. Enter the correct start date and opening balance based on your statement to avoid reconciliation gaps later. Head back to your Xero homepage and connect bank feeds for each card if your bank supports subaccount feeds. Search for your bank, authenticate securely, and link each feed to the matching card account you created. Be sure the start date for the feed aligns with your opening balance to prevent duplicates. If your bank doesn't support feeds for subcards, you can still proceed. You'll just review and reconcile from the transactions you bring in regularly. Once feeds are connected, check View Bank Feed Status Updates to confirm each card is active and pulling transactions as expected. Fix any connection notices before moving on. Now, let's make the balance sheet look right. Go to Reporting, open the balance sheet, and click Edit Layout. Group the individual card accounts under a single heading that represents the main credit card. This groups balances for presentation only. Each card still keeps its own ledger for accurate reconciliation. Drag the card accounts into the group, confirm the total looks correct, and save the layout so your balance sheet consistently shows one clean credit card total with drill down detail. Return to the home page, open one of the card accounts, and go to Account Transactions. Reconcile what's come in from the feed. Match to existing bills or create spend money transactions when needed. Add tracking categories or account codes so expenses land in the right places. For recurring merchants, consider bank rules to speed things up and attach receipts to keep your audit trail complete. Repeat reconciliation for each card regularly. At month end, confirm the sum of all subaccounts matches your statement for the overall card. With this setup, you get a clear group total on reports and precise control by cardholder day to day.